Pass to her. Hi there. Today we're going to make Manwich spaghetti with meat. I have the water boiling already because I'm prepared that way. Do you ever have Manwich barbecue, sloppy joe? It's going to be easy, huh?
Yeah, it seems to be a trend
Really?
that's going on right now with pasta and macaroni and cheese and putting different toppings on that you would normally put in the sandwich. Like
But I dreamed of Manwich, didn't I say?
Yeah, I know. You woke up with an idea.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, that's...
Because it's so easy.
Yeah, we're going to try this and see how we like it.
We're going to use two fancy pans today. This is a Le Creuset for boiling. And then we have this Ninja Foodie frying pan.
It's called Never Stick.
Look at Ninja.
Yeah, it's new.
We're going to put the hamburger in there. Let's get that going too right away.
All right.
How's that sound?
Sounds good.
I like it because I'm hungry. Thin spaghetti. Dropped it. We're going to boil this for 9 to 11 minutes. This is our late night supper. I got the wrong burner on. This is our late night supper. Alright, let's get that meat going.
All right. Here we're using 1.33 pounds of ground beef, and the can of Manwich calls for 1 pound of ground beef.
Extra meat.
Close enough, right?
Yeah. What is this? 90% lean.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm going to lose weight on this meal.
We want to get rid of the fat around here.
Hey! You said you liked me.
And then I got the bold Manwich, so it has a little extra flavor in it.
Oh.
And I thought that would be nice with the, you know, because we're using plain pasta. So sloppy joe sauce is what we have here. I'm going to open this up and we're going to add it to the hamburger when it's cooked.
Can we call this sloppy joe spaghetti maybe?
Yeah, I like that. Because then it could be your homemade sloppy joe mix.
Yeah, you could use whatever you make.
Some people use ketchup and, you know, vinegar or brown sugar to make their sloppy joe mix. So let's call it sloppy joe.
I have no idea. And we add that when the hamburger's browned, right?
Right.
I'm going to add that into this pan, right?
Yeah.
And then pour that into the strained spaghetti.
Yeah,
Or you could top it. Yeah,
top
you
it.
could use
I would
as a
top it,
topping.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, or the leftovers, then you can mix all together if you have any.
That's all there is to it. You brown the meat until it's thoroughly cooked, and then you add the sauce.
Okay. Pretty easy. Nice pan.
Yeah, kind of give me your feedback on that pan. We just used it a few times.
And you can use metal utensils in here, they say.
Yeah, you can use metal.
Well, this is a Le Creuset, too.
Yeah, that came with the other one that we have. So, this cookware from Ninja Foodie, we're trying to get an idea if we'd like to have more of it, so we thought we'd buy one large size pan we can use and try it out.
We made other things in here already, right?
Yeah. This is a 12-inch skillet, and it happens to fit the lid from our Le Creuset pan. So it's
Glass
convenient.
lid.
Yeah, so we didn't have to buy an extra lid or anything.
We got some sizzling going on here. Say the word, me. Pass to her. He said it.
So far we used that pan for French toast, and we used it for hamburgers.
And hamburger.
And something else. Eggs. We used it for eggs.
It is pretty lean. Not much grease in there. That's an idea. Macaroni and cheese spaghetti.
Yeah, I saw an idea for macaroni and cheese with pulled pork on top. And then I started seeing them putting all kinds of toppings on mac and cheese, so we might try some of that too.
Yeah, or substitute the elbow macaroni for spaghetti.
Yep.
Or some kind of shells or...
Hey, he's thinking now. Look
Yeah.
out.
Almost. Alright, I'm going to strain some of this out. You sure that wasn't a 90-10 or 10-90 instead of 90-10?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
good though. It's going to be
There's
good.
more fat in there than I thought, right?
Yeah, 10%. Usually 80-20 is hardly any, right? This is 90-10. I think it's meant to be 10-90. Alright, let me drain this quick.
Okay.
Almost done. I can turn the heat off here too, right? Nice. Oh, let's open that can. Oh, you opened the can already.
You ready for the can of
Yeah.
sauce?
Should I
Here we
have the
go.
heat off now? I can put it on low, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh! Oh!
I won't show you that.
Coffee,
was
anybody?
A small spill in the kitchen. Here you go. Here's your sloppy Joe mix.
That spilled coffee smelled good on the burner. Here we go. 4 easy steps, see? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all you add. You don't add water to this can, right?
Right.
Oh, nice and thick. Good. It smells good. I remember that. Sloppy Joe's. Manwich. Get all that. Oh, look at all that. That's a mustard smell. That must be the... Oh, yeah. It smells
Well,
good.
that's how some people make their sauce.
Yeah.
Ketchup and mustard and brown sugar.
Well, probably the vinegar in there I'm smelling.
Yeah.
With other spices. That smells real good. And you're going to spoon this on top of your spaghetti plate?
Right.
Good idea.
I'm glad you dreamt it up.
Yeah. It was really a dream. Follow your dreams. And pass the word. Lovely. I think the spaghetti's probably done.
Well, let's see.
Honk.
Yeah, I want a little piece.
Honka honka. You get one out of there?
Ooh.
Boy, this smells so good.
Give it 2 or 3 more minutes.
Okay.
It's al dente, but we'll cook it a little longer. You know, some people say they cook the spaghetti to the tooth. And that expression got started when people would take a bite out of it, just like I just did, to see if you could put your tooth through it easily, you know.
Yeah, we could. I feel like grabbing a hamburger bun and having a...
Yeah.
No, I'm going with my dream here.
Well, if we keep them separate and we just top the plate with it, we might have enough for a hamburger tomorrow.
I think this is going to be eaten up for my late supper. I think.
Yeah.
Tell me the tooth.
To the tooth. I like it a little bit soft.
Yeah. I like it done.
Well, then you get all the nice starchy. I like when you do that without the sauce. When he does it with the sauce, it gets on the curtains.
Curtains for you. My tooth likes it.
You think it's ready?
Should we leave it sit for a couple minutes here?
You turn the burner off
Keep
and
playing with it.
yeah, just
Still gonna boil for a minute.
Remember, it's a cast iron pan. It'll keep cooking it for a while, right?
Yeah. How easy can it be? You might even have this in your cabinet. We had this already, huh? When I thought of it, you said we have that.
Yeah, we did.
Look at that big sandwich. Whoa!
It was one of our stock-up meals in case we couldn't go out.
That's like a half a can of...
That would run right out there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's why they're sloppy. Sloppy Joe sandwich. Oh, Sloppy Joe sauce. Just add meat. Get some more out. There's always more in there.
Yep.
See, I'm getting more. Look at it all. Yes? What we go?
I was going to take the can away from you so you didn't have to do anything with it. Now, would you like to spork the spaghetti right on our plate?
On our plates, yeah. That's what this thing's called.
A spork it.
Spaghetti grabber.
A little bit.
Fools you how much you get on that hook.
I know. It's a big spork it.
Me, me, me. And then we take our Manwich. You could put this in another bowl, I'd say. Or I think I'm going to take a spoon here. Spoon it on, right?
Yep.
There it comes. What dreams are made of.
Wow, that looks
more,
good,
you
Rick.
can put less.
Hey, that looks wonderful.
Let's make another one.
Okay.
More. You can mix it all in if you like. How's that? Beautiful? More?
Yeah, beautiful.
A little more?
No, that's good. All right.
How's that? Let's get ready to eat. Come on.
Let's try it.
Alright, we're going to show you a taste quick.
You got it ducked down. I think you should adjust that a little bit.
With the camera?
Yeah. I guess we're going to mix it in as we eat it, right?
Give it a little swirl. Oh, it smells so good.
Wow.
Just a little bit of everything on your fork. Look at that. Yes. Oh, it's so hot.
Wait for me. It's too hot.
I can't wait. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.
That's pretty good.
Mm.
You like it?
Tastes just like Manwich. Because it is Manwich.
And strangely tastes a little bit like spaghetti sauce. Because
Put some cheese on there if you like, right?
go ahead, give me a little shot of cheese.
Whatever you like. You can melt some cheese on there, some sprinkled mozzarella. Imagine that.
Hey, you know, this was really easy. I didn't even have to do anything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. It was easy and delicious.
I like it. That's really good.
Ooh, it's hot though. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit more, but I'll get some bread and butter too.
He's gonna end up. Sorry.
Eating it all. What?
He's gonna end up with this in a sandwich. I know it.
Spaghetti?
I
Spaghetti
could see
sloppy
you.
Joe?
I could see you putting this. Look, we got these nice rolls here.
Spaghetti and all. We're gonna mix the leftovers all together.
I could see it happening.
If we don't finish this. So try that. And please subscribe to Pass the Word. And pass the word to all your friends.
Yep.
Make them this. Surprise somebody.
We'll
Go
be
see if
back.
you have some in the cabinet.
Yeah, you might have a can of this. If not, it's easy to make the sauce.
Yeah. Yeah. Homemade.
Yep, homemade.
Whatever you think of. Alright, thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm.
Before we finish it, I'll go let it cool. It's permanent.
He's gonna make a sandwich. Don't let him
Oh,
get
I'm gonna finish this. Alright, talk to you soon.
in
Bye.
a couple days.
Mmm.